Hey friends, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do christening and baptism decorations. If you need some decoration ideas for those occasions, I'm going to help you get started with that. So let's go ahead and get started with blowing up some balloons. Today we are making the balloon garland. We're going to use this balloon garland strip. I'm just going to show you a few snippets of the balloon garland and how I did it. You can check out other video that will be in my description to show you more detail on how to make balloon garlands. But pretty much you're just looking for the holes in the balloon garland. You're pushing the balloon through the big end and then you sliding it to the smaller end to lock it into place. Okay friends, and now that we have our balloon garland finished, we're going to go ahead and get this background hung up. Now make sure you check out LANAKN, the link in the description. I did get the balloons for the balloon garland as well as the backdrop from them. And make sure you use the code Esther15. You get 15% off your entire order for LANAKN. We just used tacks to hang that up, and now we're going to go ahead and get the curtain fringe hung up. I'm going to use this curtain fringe, but I'm going to use it folded in half, and I'm going to fold it in half on either side of the backdrop and also use some tacks to keep that in place. So we're about to get ready to hang up the balloon garland, and what I like to do is use some string to hold it into place. So I'm going to put string like in the middle and on the ends of where I plan to hang the balloon garland. I'm going to use some tape to help me keep that in place, and if you like to, what I do sometimes, I like to add a tack as well for extra security. And then pretty much what you do is you find the placement where you want to put your balloon garland, and the string that you tied up there, go ahead and pull it tight and wrap it around the balloon garland. And once you have it wrapped around all the way, you can go ahead and use some tape and maybe some tacks to hold it in place. And now we're going to take a couple balloon clusters that we put together and add the smaller balloons. You can use glue dots to help you hold these up. I did use tape, but feel free to use glue dots to help you hold these in place. And I'm just trying to find the placement to put them so you can play around with the placement a little bit. And once you're ready, you go ahead and secure that with some glue dots and some tape right onto your balloon garland. Okay friends, and here it is, the final reveal for our christening baptismal decoration theme. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, or don't forget to check out my video how I made a balloon garland in detail, and have a royal day.